24th, 2017. On this job, I got a call from a customer of mine, kind of in a daycare spot, daycare place. Down in the basement, I guess the furnace is making a big racket, all kinds of noise. He says something's wrong with the fan. So he said it's making a lot of noise. He thinks it's the bearings are bad on a fan or something. So he did say it had a belt on it. So we'll go by there. It's got to be an older system then if it's got a belt on it. We'll go by and see what's going on with it. See if I can figure out what's going on. Maybe fix it for the guy. Give him some heat. So see if I get you some shots when I get there. Says the fan's making noise. Yeah. Looks like part of the pulley. Wow. Pulley broke off up top there. It ain't gonna work so well. That's why it was vibrating. Yeah, that's kind of short, so what I'll do is I'll just pull this off and we'll get another one. This all looks fine. Just a little handle puller is all it is. This should work fine. It's not that big of a deal to get it off. It should come right off. Here it comes. I just couldn't pull it off my hand. Got a little burr on it. What happened was the thing spun. The set screw wasn't on the flat. I'll be alright, the motor's still fine. Just have to run out and get another pulley. Unbelievable. That's something, huh? Hello. Hello, you doing a dance? You doing a dance? Oh yeah, you're doing a dance. Alright, push over. Come on, let's go get the parts. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, I know you miss me. I know it. Go get some parts, man. She's my friend. Oh yeah, she's my friend, y'all. The baby dog is working again, y'all. Oh man. Next level, y'all. Are you cold? Are you a chilly willy? Huh? Oh yeah, you're chilly. The baby dog is working again, y'all. She's next level, y'all. She's next level. Y'all. Alright, let's go get the pulley. Let's go get the new parts. Looks like the one right there. Half inch. Clean that shaft because it was kind of had a burr on it from the shaft spun a little bit. Pulley is adjustable. You can see it's adjustable. The other one was in all the way, so. There's a flat spot there. That key has to go on the flat. Needs to go. Wants to be in line where it needs to be. It's pretty damn close. This ain't where you want it. I should have about 1 inch play. I'm gonna have to adjust that. See? I can adjust it. It's too much play. That's about what we want right there. We don't want too much play because then it'll, if you want it too tight, we'll burn the motor out. Alright, that's about what we need right there. About 1 inch. That's what you want. Right in line where we need it. I'll get this back in, screw it down, and it should be fine now. Belt looks fine. Where it goes. the rack back in, we'll be good to go. The jobs to go to today, I gotta get going here. Hello, can I help you? Yeah. Yeah, what's up? Okay. I won't be able to get there till later on. I can do is I can call you later on when I'm available. Is that person around or? Alright, well, text me your phone number and tell her to pick up the phone if she wants me to go. Alright. What apartment and what floor is it? What apartment? What address, guy? Which one? What, 48? Okay, yeah. Send me the information. Alright, yeah. Thanks. Alright, let's see if we can start this thing up. Man. So it's a gas lowboy. It's got a fan cycle switch. Place below a motor. I did that a few years ago. I replaced the blower motor a few years ago. So let me put the tags together. Alright, so replace blower motor, that was a couple of years ago, and replace pulley on blower motor this time. So it's heating up. And the fan will kick in. That sounds better. It's a gas-fired lowboy. Supply and return come off the top on a lowboy. Look at this stuff. Look at that dielectric's been leaking for a while. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to him about that.